Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So happy that you could join me for another video today. If you are new here, my name is Diamond Mind. Let's get into today's video, which is going to be a Chanel unboxing. Yes, we haven't done one of these videos in a long time. It's been a long time since I've done a luxury unboxing item. So if you want to see more videos like this, definitely make sure you thumbs up this video. So first of all, before we even get into this unboxing, let me just let you know Ari is here with us today. Her babysitter, which is the husband, he's not here today. And so I needed to film this unboxing video because it's been like 2 months since I've had this item, and I definitely wanted to get on here and do this video because that was the plan today. Hey, come here. You want to say hey? Say hi. So this is just to keep her calm a little bit. It's crazy how this Chanel bag came about. So just a real quick backstory. I purchased this item about 2 months ago. It was during the holiday season, and D Charles, if you don't know who D Charles is, first of all, you tripping. I'm going to leave his information below so you guys can follow him because he always comes through with the clutch. Period. So he did a post on his Instagram. The item that he posted was no longer available by the time I saw it. But anyways, to make a long story short, I was like, let me just shoot my shot here. So I asked him if he could find out if this item was in stock. He went down there, whoop-de-whoop. He came back and said, yes, we got two. What you want to do? And I'm like, okay, cool. I'm gonna get it. So that's the quick little story behind that. Trying to get your hands on this item has been crazy. So let's talk about it. All right. I cannot believe that. So I had this in my closet and look what happened. So here is the bag. I'm going to insert a clip of me doing the unboxing just so it can give you a little bit more of a close-up vibe and you can get more into the details. So now I do own the Chanel boy bag and a couple of wallet on chains, or chain on wallet, wallet on chain, chain on wallet. Wait, wallet on chain. Yeah. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's talk about it and let's just, you know, get our life. I really, in this situation, just being patient, I was able to save a lot of money compared to going like the pre-love way. So for those of you guys who don't know, Chanel seems like she want to increase every 6 months to a year, if not sooner. So if you've been eyeing a Chanel bag and you've saved up your money or you have the funds to do so, I would go ahead and recommend buying you something now because the Chanel prices are insane. Resale on these bags are insane. That is why I was like, girl, get this bag. If you don't like it, you can always sell it and get more than what you pay in the store for it. Like, that's just crazy to me. Travis doesn't, I mean, he understands it, but it's like, girl, why not just put your money in stock? But it's like, I just want to wear my stock money, if that makes sense. I do like another little quick. It is so cute. It is so cute. Oh my God, it's so cute. This is such a cute bag. Okay, let me get in close real quick. Okay, so that's the front of it. As you can see, it has the gold hardware. This is a small. Honestly, I'm not into the big bags anymore. I mean, like, I think a everyday big bag is okay, like the medium size in the Chanel Classic Flap. But honestly, I wanted a smaller Chanel Classic Flap. I probably will buy a bigger one, but I want the cocoa handle in a bigger one. Girl, if you know, then you know. Chanel comes in either lambskin or caviar. Caviar is going to be your more durable, everyday wear canvas. You're gonna be able to wear your bag and not worry about getting any type of scratches or anything on your bag. So that's why I opt for the Caviar instead of the lambskin. Now the lambskin to me does look a little bit more pristine. It looks more I have arrived. It gives that type of vibe, but I have a toddler, and how my life is now, I just can't imagine a bag with the price tag that it is and not be able to wear or be concerned on if my child comes up to me and she grabs me and she scratches my purse. Like, that's something I don't have the time to worry about. So I got this bag from Saks. This bag currently retails for $8,200, and with tax and everything is $8,900. Yeah, but it is, like I said, Chanel is an investment piece. Chanel is one of those pieces where, girl, if you don't buy right now, you're going to be paying more money in the next 6 months to a year on the same bag that you wanted last year. It is insane how much the price increases on Chanel. It's crazy. I understand the reason behind it, but the simple fact that this bag used to be like $6 grand and now it's $8, that's crazy. And it's a small, so that's crazy to me. But you can wear this bag double strapped, or you can wear it single strapped. I don't know why it's getting stuck. If you want to just wear it on your shoulder, which more than likely I'll be wearing mine on my shoulder. I will insert some mod shots so you guys can see how this purse would look, how this purse looks on my body frame. Now I am top heavy, so just keep in mind, if you are top heavy and you decide to do this small bag, it may become a little issue if you want to wear it crossbody. But I like this size. I feel like this size is just perfect for like traveling and on the go. I do wish that the straps was a little bit longer, but evidently it wasn't a big con that prevented me from purchasing this purse. It does have the twisted lock on it, so go ahead and open it. Okay, get one pocket here. I don't know what the hell you could put in here. Maybe like a key, cause girl, let me show you. This is the only place where you have room. Down here there is nothing, like you can't put nothing down here. It doesn't even open up down here. So if you do put anything in this part, girl, just make sure it's not valuable, because if you don't remember and you open this, it's gonna come right out. Ooh, one thing I am noticing, let me say this, it does crease a little bit. Now I don't know if the crease is gonna be permanent, and maybe I don't need to open my bag this wide. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is creasing right here. Hopefully it's nothing, you know, too concerning, but of course you could take it into Chanel and they can repair it, so not gonna really worry about that. All right, and of course it has the gorgeous burgundy in the inside with the Chanel symbol in the inside, and then of course I haven't wore it yet, so the tag is still on. So I'm going to show you guys what the inside of the bag looks like. Okay, it's not a big purse. Again, this is more so of a small purse, so you won't be able to put a whole bunch of stuff in here, but I definitely think you'll be able to put your essential items in here, especially if you're using this bag for like a night out on the town, or you're going shopping or something like that. I definitely would not consider this to be my everyday bag. I will say my iPhone fits in here, and that was my #1 concern. Anytime I'm purchasing like a small bag or a mini bag, if my phone does not fit, the purse does not come home with me, period. So this is the iPhone 13 Max Pro. Girl, the biggest version it is, okay? It fits in here so good, y'all. Look at all that room. I have so much more room. I could put way more stuff in here. So that fits in here perfectly. You do have a pocket back here that you can put some stuff in. But then it's another little, it's 2 sections here that you could probably put your keys or like a little small wallet. I do think it'll fit a standard size wallet as well. You have another pocket space here. For this to be a small bag, I love all the little compartments that come in here. So I'm going to see if I can fit my iPhone in there, and it fits perfect. So this is probably where I'm going to have my iPhone. When I carry small bags like this, I always try to go for like a small wallet. And then of course I have to make sure my other essential items fit, which is not a whole lot. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know if you want to see me doing a comparison of the Chanel Classic Flap and the boy bag. And let me know if you just want to see, you know, what fits in my bag and all of that stuff. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you guys on the next unboxing video or the next what's in my bag video.